Essential Pet Care, a Beginner's Guide. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our channel. Today, we're going to dive into an important topic for all the pet lovers out there: pet care essentials. Whether you're a new pet owner or looking to brush up on your knowledge, this video will cover everything you need to know to ensure your furry, scaly, or feathered friend is happy and healthy. Let's get started. Pet care essentials refer to the basic needs and requirements that must be met to ensure the health and well-being of your pet. This includes food, shelter, healthcare, exercise, and love. Just like humans, pets have physical and emotional needs that their owners should fulfill. We'll explore what each of these essentials entails and why they're important for your pet's overall well-being. Every pet has its unique nutritional requirements, which vary depending on the species, age, and health condition. A balanced diet is crucial for maintaining your pet's health, providing them with the energy they need, and preventing obesity and other health issues. We'll discuss how to choose the right food for your pet and the importance of fresh water. Providing a safe and comfortable living environment is another pillar of pet care. This section will cover the basics of setting up a cozy space for your pet, whether it's a kennel for your dog, a cage for your bird, or an aquarium for your fish. We'll also touch on the importance of cleanliness and the role of safe toys and accessories. Regular veterinary checkups and vaccinations are essential to prevent diseases and ensure your pet lives a long, healthy life. Proper grooming and hygiene practices also play a vital role in keeping your pet clean and disease-free. We'll discuss how to maintain your pet's health, including dental care, flea and tick prevention, and the signs of common health issues. Physical activity and mental stimulation are crucial for your pet's physical and mental health. Lack of exercise can lead to behavioral problems and obesity. We'll explore fun and engaging ways to keep your pet active and mentally stimulated, tailored to different types of pets. Last but not least, love and affection form the foundation of your relationship with your pet. Pets thrive on attention and bonding time with their owners. We'll discuss the importance of spending quality time with your pet and how to strengthen your bond through training, play, and cuddles. Thank you for watching our video on pet care essentials. Remember, taking care of a pet is a big responsibility, but it's also incredibly rewarding. By meeting these basic care requirements, you'll ensure your pet leads a happy, healthy life. We hope you found this information helpful. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more pet care tips. See you in the next video.